Across the globe, a sea of voices rises in unison. From bustling city streets to remote villages, people are demanding action. They hold banners aloft, their message clear: save our planet. These are not just words. These are pleas for our future.
We are witnessing the consequences of our actions. Wildfires rage across continents, leaving scorched earth and displaced lives in their wake. Hurricanes, more powerful than ever, batter coastlines with devastating force. Glaciers, once mighty rivers of ice, shrink at an alarming rate. These events are a stark reminder of the crisis we face: climate change. Our planet is warming at an unprecedented rate, and the consequences are becoming increasingly dire. The time for complacency is long gone. We must act now with urgency and determination to safeguard our future.
The Earth's climate has always fluctuated. Ice ages have come and gone, shaping landscapes. However, today's changes are different. Rapid, intense, and linked to human activity.
The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point. Factories burning fossil fuels released greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat, warming the Earth.
Imagine a greenhouse, its glass walls allowing sunlight to stream in. The plants inside absorb this light, but the heat it generates is trapped within the glass enclosure, creating a warm and humid environment. This is a simplified analogy for the greenhouse effect, a natural process that regulates our planet's temperature.
Certain gases in our atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, act like the glass walls of a greenhouse. They allow sunlight to reach the Earth's surface but trap some of the heat that radiates back outwards. This trapped heat warms the planet, making life as we know it possible. However, as we release more and more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, we are effectively thickening the glass of our planet's greenhouse. More heat is trapped, leading to a gradual warming of the Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere. This is what we call global warming, and it is the driving force behind climate change.
Section 4. The rising tide: consequences of climate change. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and increasingly evident. Perhaps the most visible impact is the melting of glaciers and ice sheets. These frozen reservoirs are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities and ecosystems worldwide. As temperatures rise, so too does the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Heat waves are becoming more common and severe, posing significant risks to human health and agriculture. Droughts are plaguing regions once known for their fertile land, leading to food shortages and displacement. On the other end of the spectrum, we are witnessing more intense rainfall and flooding, causing widespread damage and disruption. The oceans, which absorb vast amounts of heat and carbon dioxide, are also feeling the strain. Warmer ocean temperatures are disrupting marine ecosystems, leading to coral bleaching and threatening the livelihoods of communities that depend on healthy oceans for food and income.
Section 5. Nature's struggle: impacts on ecosystems. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a threat to all life on Earth, including our own. The impacts of a warming planet are already being felt by ecosystems and wildlife around the globe. In the Arctic, polar bears are facing an existential crisis as sea ice, their primary hunting ground, melts away. In tropical rainforests, rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns are pushing delicate ecosystems to their limits, threatening the survival of countless plant and animal species. The interconnectedness of life on Earth means that the loss of one species can have cascading effects throughout the entire ecosystem. As temperatures rise and habitats change, we risk disrupting the delicate balance of nature, with potentially devastating consequences for all.
Section 6. A time for action: our collective responsibility. The challenges posed by climate change are significant, but they are not insurmountable. The time for action is now. Solutions exist and are within our reach. We must transition to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play. Investing in public transportation and cycling infrastructure can reduce our reliance on cars. Individual actions can create a powerful wave of change. The fight against climate change requires the participation of everyone.